Consider the expression x squared plus 8x plus c. Question number 1. Find a positive number c such that this quadratic factors using sum and products. Then factor the expression. So let's say that our c value is going to be 10. Well, the factors of 10 are 1 and 10 and 2 and 5. Well, none of these combine to get an 8. So 10 is not going to work. Let's say we have 12. The factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Well, I notice that 2 and 6 combine to get 8, so my c could be equal to 12. There are a few other factors that would work, but for this one we're going to use c equals 12. Question number 2. Find a negative number c such that this quadratic factors using some products, then factor the expression. So let's say, in this case, let's try negative 12. Again, the factors of 12 are 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4. Well, for this to be a negative 12, one of these numbers, 2 or 6, have to be negative. Well, if I combine those together, that does not get me a positive 8. Let's say I try 9. My factors of 9 are 1 and 9, 3 and 3. Well, I can combine 1 and 9 to get 8. And I can do that by having x and x, 1 and 9, and then a positive and a negative. So in this case, my c is going to be negative 9. Question 3. Find a number c such that this quadratic is not factorable. I can pretty much choose any number. So let's say 10 again. If I have 1 and 10, 2 and 5, none of these numbers combine to get 8. So I can use 10 as my c because it is not factorable. Question 4. Find a number for c so that this quadratic factors using sum and products, and the factors are the same. When we talk about the factors being the same, it means that we could use 1 and 1, or 2 and 2, or 3 and 3, and so on. Well, what numbers that are the same combine to get 8? Well, that's going to be 4 and 4. So if 4 and 4 add to get 8, what do they multiply to? Well, they multiply to be 16. So my factors would be x plus 4, x plus 4. So c equals 16 is my answer.